choke, no joke. Bring on the track. Choke, no joke, chicken choke, no joke. Choke, no joke, niggas choke, no joke.
Donell Jones representing street folks and the Ginuwine party. Now check this out, look. I got an album coming out September 5th. No. Sorry, October 12th. I gotta get it right now. Now, but check this out, look. It's Ginuwine Platinum Party and Donell represents for this man, you know what I mean? I had a couple of drinks, but look, check it out though. I love you people out there who represent for me, all right? Much love, baby, all right?
What's up, y'all? This is Charub. We all the way live at the Kit Kat Club in New York City. Ginuwine's Platinum Party. It's kind of wild in here, but I got Blue and I got Donell Jones, Family Tree Entertainment. They are doing it up. A lot of people, big names. Tell us a little about that.
What you mean, baby? Tell me what you're talking about.
Well, tell us about the big projects that you're doing. You do Nicole Ray, you got Outkast.
Outkast, Usher Raymond, Nicole Ray. I'm just working on my album too, you know what I mean? It's called Where I Wanna Be. It's on the Face Records October 12th. Much love for that shit, cause yo.
Go cop that. And who you working with on your album?
Just working with like Left Eye, Eddie F, just the whole shit.
Doing big things. Choke, no joke, chicken choke, no joke. Choke, no joke, niggas choke, no joke.